When it comes to enhancing your home's exterior, few upgrades make as immediate and noticeable an impact as replacing your windows. In a place like McLean, where homes are known for their elegance, charm, and value, residential window replacement is more than just a practical improvement. It's an opportunity to elevate curb appeal, increase property value, and create a lasting impression. First impressions matter, and your windows play a major role in how your home is perceived from the street. Old, worn, or outdated windows can make even the most well-maintained home look tired. On the other hand, new, stylish windows instantly refresh your home's appearance. Whether you prefer a classic colonial look or a more modern aesthetic, the right window design can complement your architecture and highlight your home's best features. One of the biggest advantages of window replacement is the variety of styles available. Homeowners in McLean often choose from double-hung, casement, bay, bow, or picture windows, depending on their design goals. For example, bay or bow windows can add dimension and character to your facade, while sleek casement windows offer a clean, contemporary feel. Grid patterns, frame colors, and trim options allow you to customize the look even further, ensuring your home stands out in the neighborhood. Beyond style, window replacement also improves symmetry and consistency, two key elements of strong curb appeal. If your current windows don't match or have been replaced at different times with different designs, your home's exterior may look disjointed. Installing a cohesive set of windows creates a polished, unified appearance that feels intentional and well cared for. Color is another important factor. Modern window frames come in a wide range of finishes, from traditional white and beige to bold black or wood grain tones. Choosing a color that contrasts or complements your siding and trim can dramatically enhance visual appeal. In McLean, where many homes feature brick or stone exteriors, dark-framed windows are especially popular for adding a sophisticated, upscale touch. While aesthetics are important, functionality also contributes to curb appeal. Clean, clear glass and properly functioning windows signal that a home is well maintained. New windows eliminate issues like fogging between panes, peeling frames, or difficulty opening and closing. This not only improves how your home looks but also reassures potential buyers or visitors that the property has been cared for. Energy efficiency is another hidden benefit that enhances your home's overall appeal. Today's replacement windows are designed with advanced materials and insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures. While this may not be immediately visible, it's a strong selling point in a competitive market like McLean. Energy-efficient windows can reduce utility costs and make your home more comfortable year-round, an attractive combination for any homeowner or prospective buyer. Additionally, replacing your windows can increase natural light, which subtly enhances your home's exterior appearance. Larger or strategically placed windows brighten interiors and create a more inviting atmosphere that can often be seen from the outside. A well-lit home simply feels more welcoming. For homeowners planning to sell, window replacement is a smart investment. Updated windows not only improve curb appeal but can also boost resale value and shorten time on the market. Buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that doesn't require immediate upgrades, and new windows check both the aesthetic and functional boxes. In McLean, where attention to detail and quality matter, residential window replacement is one of the most effective ways to elevate your home's exterior. It combines beauty, performance, and long-term value into one impactful upgrade. Whether you're refreshing your current home or preparing to sell, investing in new windows is a decision that pays off from the moment someone sees your home from the curb.